can probably see on this log splitter here, we got kind of a leak going on, leaking some hydraulic fluid. I actually think it's been leaking so bad that this thing's pretty low, so it probably wasn't shooting it out quite the way it has been. But there's a leak in here somewhere in the seal, so I ordered a new one of these pumps, and I'm gonna put that on, see if that stops us from leaking. Well, I can't get this hose off because this, you can see how this keeps moving. There's nothing to hold it. It looks like this hose has kind of seen better days anyway, so I think I'm gonna replace this whole thing. So the threads on a lot of these are all stripped out, so I think what I'm going to do is run a tap through there, see if I can get some new bolts in. These bolts won't fit through the back side here. There's not enough room for me to get these in here, so I'll have to get a longer bolt, I guess, and put a nut on the other side of that. Alright, I found 2 more bolts for this side. Fed them through the other way, so this is on there pretty good. So this is the new fitting for this hose here at the bottom, but the new one that I got's not the right size of what I have, so I'm going to attempt to take the other one off, the old pump. I'm just bending this, so I guess I need to try and find a new pipe fitting. Alright, so this project's been down here a couple days now. I've been kind of waiting on some parts. So I went out and I got a new hose, and that was pretty easy. My biggest problem here was the hose fitting that I got with this pump. See, this is a 3/4 inch hose, and this was a 1 inch fitting. So I went to the hydraulic shop, and these threads right here were so fine that they didn't think they could have anything or find anything for me to put in here to make that a 3/4. So since there's no pressure on this and it's just a return line, what I did was I'm going to use this. I'm going to put this in here, and then I got a fitting. This is kind of an adapter, a 1 inch to a 3/4. So I'm going to put that there like that. Then I just kind of have this 1 inch hose, and this clamps are just going to hold these two together. And there's not going to be any pressure in here, so this should work okay. Really don't know how much fluid to put in these, so I guess that's good enough. Are you shitting me? Just broke the string. Here seems to be working okay. I'll just keep an eye on that. I know that wasn't much of a test on those small pieces of wood, but that seemed to split through those pretty easily. A lot faster than it did before. I used to hesitate. Let me just try and mess with this pull string again. The spring's not strong enough, so it needs to go back more. So rather than take this handle off, I'm gonna try and undo it here. So yeah, I just threw a little piece of thread tape on that back hose there, and that seemed to keep it from leaking, so we'll see how long that holds up. But yeah, this project's done.